Hello, kiddos! Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Teacher Rizel. Enjoy and learn!
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut, all through the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. The engine on the bus goes vroom, 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 vroom. The engine on the bus goes vroom, 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 all through the town.
Amazing, kiddos! You are a good singer. 3 stars for you! But don't forget the review from the previous lesson. Word that begins with B blends. Bag, bed, bud, bad, bug. Fantastic! So now, the lesson number 4 is consonant letter C. I'm so excited to learn the next consonant letter. This consonant looks like a big cookie with a bite taking out of it. Do you know the name of this letter? Little c looks just like capital C, except that it is smaller. Our lesson number 4 is consonant letter C. Kiddos, do you want to hear the sound of letter C? C says k as in cat. C says k, k, k. Again, C says k as in cat. C says k, k, k. For examples, k, k, k. Cake, k, k, k. Camel, cob. Good job! It's time to blend. Again, what is the meaning of blend? It is a consonant and vowels sounded together. Now that we know the sound of consonant C as well as the sound of the short vowels, we can blend them together to make a part of a word. K, k, k. A, 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 ca. K, k, k. A, caw. K, k, k. A, ka. Amazing! Time to practice. Practice makes perfect. Ka, caw, ka, caw, ka, ca, ka, ca, caw. Amazing! You're really a superstar. Do you know what is this? Yes, this is a cat. Ca, cat. Perfect. What about this? Yes, this is a cot. Caw, cot. I'm so proud of you. And this is a cup. 3 cheers for you. Hooray! This is the end of lesson number 4. I hope you enjoy and learn. This is Teacher Rizel. Don't forget to subscribe. God bless. In God have I put my trust. I will not be afraid what man can do unto me. Psalms 56:11.